Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro. Today we're gonna be showing y'all how to change the oil. If y'all been watching my channel, we're gonna show you how to change the oil in this Green Monster. We out here in the shop today in the people's garage, and it's gonna be a few tools you need. Let me set y'all down right here. Let's see. Yeah, that's about right. You're gonna need a 10 mil socket. And this is for this very back boat here. You're gonna need a 3/8 adapter to break it down to a 1/4 extension. And then you're gonna need a number 6 Allen wrench. And this is so if you want to, you just use a socket here. But that's in case you want to use your drill. That fits in there. And then you take your 10 mil, you put it on your adapter, just like that there. And let's get started. And you'll need this for the other side because you got another 10 mil around the other side. So I'm just going to slide that right over there. And you're going to need a number 5 Allen wrench. And that's to take this screw out. You can also do this with just the Allen wrench. But this way seems to be a little quicker. And I got this under here, so you will see in a little while why I got that under there. Okay, let's leave all this here. And let's go around to the other side. Okay, let's sit y'all down here. Let's see. Here, I'm going to move this screw, this screw, this screw, and this one down here. Okay. Let's remove these first. And you're going to have to use an Allen wrench to get this bottom one. You can't use a drill on that one unless you set the bike up straight. So I done pre-loosened it already. Take that one out. And you can use it on this one. Hold up. Hold on just a minute, y'all. I need to go get a wrench. Okay, sorry about that. I had to put a wrench behind this one because it had been stripped out. I need to replace it. Hold on a minute, y'all. Let me do it one more time. Okay, y'all, let's try this. You shouldn't have to do this. You should just be able just to take yours just right off. But I got a screw behind this because I tell you the truth, I forgot about it. I need to replace. I'll show you once I get it off. See, I got that little bolt behind it. And that's the bolt. Let's put that with that. And then let's do this back to my 10 mil. See how that dropped down? See how this dropped down? That's why I had this under here, to help protect it when it dropped down. So once you get it down, you can move that out. And I'm just going to leave that right there. And now, let's go back to the other side. So I can show y'all this. This, you want to take that bolt out. That's how you drain your oil. Right here's the oil filter. And then you take that, you take the oil spill out. You know, you're going to move this out the way. Got to be moved. So you have your drain pan here when you drain your oil. And then you drain your oil filter. And what you do, what I do, I use this. This is a hyper tough guard. I think, in my opinion, this is one of the best oil filter removers you can get. I've had some that the oil filter rinse just slide around the oil filter, and then you gotta take a screwdriver and you know, and mess your oil filter up, and then sometimes you still can't get it off. Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all how to put this back. Okay, hold on just a minute. Well, we can start from this side. I'm sorry, y'all. My battery was going dead. I didn't get to show the rest of the video. But if you will, like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching my videos. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless you and thank you for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. The reason that one boat had trouble getting out, it was stripped. That's why I know I told you I would show you what was wrong. The boat was stripped, and that what the problem was. And what else did I say I was gonna show you? Oh, that's about it for this video. I can't think of anything else that I'm gonna show you. But my battery is going dead, and I wasn't able to show you how to put it back. But you just put it back in the reverse order, like I took it off, and you should be good to go. Like I always say, we all want to do is get back home safe. And another thing, we're here in people's garage. We're very busy, and I will be posting more videos on more jobs to come. And thank you for watching. God bless you. And keep the rubber on the road. Goodbye.